Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zinhle. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Pearl Thusi and DJ Zinhle are once again in the spotlight after both besties were at a club called Montana celebrating Musli's birthday, you guys. A video circulated today on Twitter and people were quick to assume that their friendship has hit a rock bottom, you guys, and that Pearl Thusi is forcing being friends with a DJ Zinhle. And in the video, it seems like DJ Zinhle was giving Pearl the cold shoulder, you guys, and that clip has caused quite a stir on Twitter, and people were dragging DJ Zinhle for her treatment towards Pearl Thusi, you guys. So these are some of the comments. What happened between Pearl Thusi and DJ Zinhle? Pearl does not deserve to be treated like this. Pearl deserves better. Another user wrote, Pearl Thusi deserves better. She must move on from that friendship. Akipe Nalama Simba when knows a ring. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.